Solids Control delivers the XJ550 Workover rig solids control system to the customer. The XJ550 Workover rig is the main model for medium deep well operations, designed as a high-efficiency transfer rig for onshore oil fields. It imposes extremely stringent requirements on the adaptability, stability, and environmental performance of the supporting solids control system. This system integrates units such as shale shaker, desander, desilter, centrifuge, shear pump, sand pump, and agitator. Through collaborative multi-stage solids control, it significantly reduces the content of detrimental solids in drilling fluids, improves mud quality, and ensures downhole operation safety.